Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this pop-up which says your organization manages update on this PC. For info about getting Windows 11, contact your IT admin. So if you're receiving this pop-up when you try to check whether your computer supports Windows 11 or not, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So first of all, go ahead and close this pop-up. Then go to Windows 10 settings. So go to the start menu, then click on settings, then click on accounts. Now click on access work or school. Now over here you can see your work or school account. Click on it and then you have to go ahead and disconnect this account. So when you click on disconnect, you will receive this prompt which says, are you sure you want to remove this account? This will remove your access to resources like email, apps, network, and all the content associated with it. Your organization might also remove some data stored on this device. So if you agree, you can go ahead and click on yes, and this will go ahead and disconnect your work or school account. And after this is disconnected, you can go ahead and try to open the app. Once the account is disconnected from here, now go to the start menu and then try to launch the PC Health Check app once again. So click on it. And once you have the app running, now you can go ahead and click on check now. And over here, you can see I receive a prompt which says this PC can run Windows 11. I'm not receiving that pop-up anymore. So you simply have to go ahead and disconnect your work and school account, and that should go ahead and fix the problem. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.